One of the purity watakalani sesame are back. Angoma sita endanga ko ina ma 2K we are more supportive than my one. Than the sorry. Than the old generation.
Sorry.
Than the old generation. But now we stream. I feel like that's where everything got messy.
Pero komelana ti live. Ish. Like why minga fix eso swa n'wina?
So love, so put.
Kasi se va loko tshova mbilu. Va ku tshove mbilu. Va ku tshove mbilu.
I'm a strong girl. Do you see my head? Do they look like they're shaking? No.
Mana hina eka Shangan Gang Podcast Network. Hi Ravumbirhi rin'wana na rin'wana evhikini hafu ku bile awara ya 12. Mi nga kayeli leswi. Hi swi twini mi swi twini. Hi mi tisela to hisa kumenemene na mavarivari eka Gaza. Kasi Ravumune ra vhiki na vhiki hi mi khomele mbulavulo wa leti na letiya. Hi ya emahlweni hi dyondzisa hi hlohlotela no hlayisa ndhavuko wa Xitsonga xerhu. Twanani la sonta rin'wana na rin'wana Ravumbirhi en'hwetini hi ku ya hi vhiki hi ku phamela swakudya swa tindleve evunangeni hi mbulavulo wa tiqambi teru na eximoyeni hi pfuxelela vupfumeri ni mbulavulo. Seketela, rhandza u tlhela u avelana na van'wana ntsena eka Shangan Gang Podcast Network.
Welcome to the 4th episode of Down Vibes Unfiltered, aka Shangan Gang. One of the purity watakalani sesame are back, and I'm here with my partner.
Sponge.
Welcome back again, Sponge. Ready na?
It's ready. Ni dinner man. Where dinner?
Ni dia banana. Okay. Let's be for real. A lot has been happening throughout this whole week. My main highlight is group friendships, guys.
Yo. See there.
Yo, bro. Did you see how Tonto was? I can't say Koelo was left out. Was she?
She was. I feel like she was.
But okay, the outfit. Okay. Besides the outfit, was there anything else?
What do you mean?
Like ani magala ngayenza ku social media ibulabula, especially on TikTok, actually on Facebook as well. Leswi ngayenza ku va it was because it was the matter of the outfits,
Yes.
the blazer, the others, and then ambale that beautiful
and also,
outfit.
there was a video laying at the ID.
Eh?
I felt like it gave me this energy, man. It
Yeah,
was not, yeah.
I can't sharp. Mara coincidence ya njhani yaleyo munhu afata ambale vata vambale ti blaze vari 4.
Exactly. Ibi
Ata ari one. And I heard there was an extra friend. So extra friend uvula ku na yena nje yilo ti decide la ku no na mina tata mbale.
Na mina tata mbale blaze. Hinkwavo vari 4.
Hinkwavo vari 4.
Va ku vambala ti blaze.
No, yes, guys. I've suffered enough in group friendships to understand, to know that one.
Yeah. And then it came out kuri yena atla fika saseka.
Yo, she was beautiful. Okay.
It felt like she was the main character.
Very make it. Never na video. Never video wa ngo editing. Va paketing nyoka on the background. And then yung manyan va cover the background singer van'wana va ku iti bodyguard ta yena, like a lot.
I'm sure we can all relate. Loko swi fika ka the friendships.
Real. Group friendship, please.
Group
friendships to be specific. Yes.
Ibile wa titiva letiya to ta hi threesome.
Been there, done that. Chomi, been there, done that. I'm telling you, ngwamani. Nere ankuma nere na yena, mina, mngani. Ire 2. Eve angena, ava number 3. Nere ngata ku nga accommodate anu ku well Itativana. Yeah.
She's already here. We cannot leave her out.
Va connecta more than me. Whenever connecte, is so that because mina okay, mina munwo famba like go out in public places where there's noise and stuff like that and munwatan. So when I come back kubona even vatan yeah, the Friday was tiva kina the vibe. So mina munwatano. And then loko connecta na loko se ekhaya vulavula and ali go okay so endlekini mbili ya mi va vinyana ko Chomi, oh, you're having more fun with this. Okay, but okay. Well, I cannot bring that on the table, Mina, also. It's okay. Mara loko se ritri. Mwa man, vavula. Nisu talk vavula, mara anistu kumvavula yini.
Yo, I felt like that in my first day at Mina. Imagine if
It was also my first day. It was last year. I mean, I got the first day, I mean.
we were friends, well. Okay, mina no no one we're in the same class. Shabu. There's another one that came late. So Africa I join. They started talking. Nirukona mara ngathi
Angathusi chubu.
Nzama kufita in ukukunhleka yini. Banhlamusela the next day it happens again and I was like, hey,
You know what? It's your cue to leave. Mina ikhale ever since I moved here, like from grade 6. Nifike vele bantu bakhabativana ubona sharp.
Yeah.
And then I met a friend. Nihlangana nawe like anungtwa nungirad. Nihlangana nungde, oh Chomi, I would like to be your friend. How do you feel about that? I upfumel sharp and introduce her to other people and other people. But now, yeah, I got bullied in front of her. In front of her and she also laughed. Yeah, chill. Yeah, well. One man, mina loko friendship I've been through the most and worst part I've been warned. Me papa mi loko na kufika ni van lava wan vativana. Vativana vanhu lava wan so ingatwi nga ku wena u special in some way. Vativana.
Vatswara va hembi.
Ntakandlaveni
Vatswara endhava hembi.
Ntakandlaveni tshama henhla ka yona mani ni titwa nga ku ya mina ni VIP ku vele friendship ya rinyo ani swi va na relationship loko ya ritha. Sivuthamalanga.
Awungenzi nchumu.
Sana lwami. What is lying? Bullying yona. Me look, I've been bullied, bro. In the name of friendship, ibil. Le bully shiwa. Me angativa na je shivonini, no. Confidence le nga na yo so sanjist ko ni dobi kwi. Me na shivona nshipalita.
No, emagaku. I feel like it's a character development type of thing.
Ne?
Yeah.
Matter why do I need to be bullied in order to develop my character?
It's
Like
life.
as boy.
It's life.
You ngabe so like kuna bangana ba right, kuna bangana ba wrong. Ba right like the case says Lavenda. La she had right friend, cool friends. La anabantu ba supportive, la bangisupporta kwangena. Mara you saw how it ended. I feel like position yourself gavazani. Na mina I feel like I've been there. Kuri nipfuna munhu and then you go danke Xitsonga if you sick.
Danke Xitsonga.
Ni kumi danke ale man. Be there. Do everything. If you go in danke.
Mara ne ingati so you are doing this ushuma mbilwini.
The kindest people, one of us suffer the most. I'm saving. So you know what? I think it's time Kormuna. I change just a little.
Imagine helping someone never try kuzela. Yo.
Kuzela nonsense.
Hey.
No guys. I feel like so the way I just crash out. Guys, me not crash out, guys. I would have crashed out.
Say.
I feel like this guys guys personally speaking. Yay! That my guys said I'm not retaliating, but okay, we're not the same. Maybe because well I'm still young. And seven chume as such it's dima yes we have that dignity to keep. But like and sevanaku I have people who look up to me. Maybe I do ka TikTok, maybe I do, but like nibulako munlo ango lokan lang tisa ibona mantongo, ibona money, this kind of stuff. So and seven that thing, maybe that's why I'm still having those kind of thoughts go. I will definitely retaliate. But other than that, she had very supportive people.
Friends group.
Yeah, a very supportive group. So go hey. Hey.
Abangantshitshi timbilu ta vona hey.
Abangantshitshi. Okay, bangachichi.
Akuna mara, please.
Okay, so-
Mara.
Sharp, abachichi timbili ati thamisi sweswe. And speaking of support, hey, I feel like ni bone post yin'wanyani I share ka Facebook where they're saying ba Matsonga avana support a lot on Tsonga artists. And then he gave stats kuri munhu wa Mzulu loko o humesa ngoma. I humesa like wa Mzulu I mean Maskandi.
Yeah.
Loko o humesa ngoma it's gonna get like a minimum of over 10K streams, maximum of over 1 million.
In a
And then
month.
exactly, and then Kali Kompo the same thing. But when it comes to Tsonga artists, one locally now akume like just 500 streams, and then
Fuck, Hashem.
it's the highest number. Kabona is the highest number. Yeah, Kabona is the highest number. That 500 means a lot to them. But I feel like it was not really because of that. Kore, I support them as such name. Especially Kamakaya Bin Mangan. Bin Mangan just got like actually 1 million streams ka ni EP. After 7 freaking years. Look about Zengo Mali. And so Bin Mangan, I feel like it's because Kale, Ani. Kale I'm gonna stream on YouTube. Kale awungena kangwe ufika download ngoma.
Mishendelana hi written.
Exactly. So I feel like tingoma ta Bin Mangan tingwa na ti artist tingwan talent ha tingwan ti va tinga hi kurisa ni ti legend I can say. I feel like va ti reaching the millions of listeners or streams mara ko va ku
But then now it goes go to YouTube.
exact no sweswiwani vele swi ta tikomba ingaku ma 2K like, for example ka ngoma ya size you saw he reached 1 million streams in just a week, right? Ka ngoma ya size swi ta endla ingaku hina ma 2K we are more supportive than ma one than the
Sorry.
than the old generation.
Sorry.
Than the old generation. But eko hina we stream kuna ti Wi-Fi swi phela vakhala a tirha sweswo a xava xidata njhani xa 5 rand a kota ku download the album. So I don't really think kuri it's a matter of kuri there's no support. There was no support ka Bin Mangan. I feel like there was ko va ku kan lo ati stats avela tinga khomeki kahle imaka ku ai nga stream ka YouTube ai nga ndli Spotify a swi nga se duma because yeah
Mara se maka ku swi dumini ku counta ti number ta ka YouTube. And after, like you're saying now, but after 7 years, this is when he reaches like 1 million streams.
that's what I'm saying ko sweswiwani hi la se na ti stats ti recordiwa kahle khale phela ti nga recordiwi as such because a wu twa hi USB kumbe we download so sweswi ti stats ta kota ku tekeka ku oh you've reached this number of listeners ta kuma ku ngoma leyiwani I khale yi reachini but because vanhu a va nga yi yingiseli kona leyi yeah that's what I'm saying it's well okay I can probably say kahle kahle ima 2K manga supportive ke
No, but then still, number 2K, I feel like support yabona. Support yama 2K, not really good support yama 2K, mara and then like, I feel like she goes she limited to in Amatsonga. Going sela in Amatsonga ngofo. That's why you are mentioning Kuri Maskandi ngakoma ba 10 million streams na Likompo ngakoma ba 10 million streams. Mara when it comes to us,
well not the way kind guys so maybe wabona the way who's this Java itivena yimbelela ingena kun'wana kun'wana
kwako.
so I feel like na hina Matsonga loko u kota ku like ya kun'wana kun'wana hina hi va swi nga pfuna at some point
mara they are doing that now. Look at this boy.
exactly and wangwena ule queen
Yes.
like even Nota I saw this other clip Nota was speaking about him. Nota is a music executive. I don't know if he is or was. And Mulwan, manager bo Questa, bo Ricky. One but serious, banga win na ti awards. So loko yena as asibona kuri no. Actually, this guy is going far. Something big is coming from him. Something big is coming from Shigaza. It means like u famba ka ndlela ya right hi ku u le ku brancheni
swi ri hi le kuleni xikazi
hi le kule na hina hi ta fika kwalaha ka ti
swo
a minimum
swi nga teka nkarhi
Ex-
mara
hi ta fika no for real swi ta teka nkarhi mara hi ta fika no for real so I feel like we're gonna get there as time goes
Yeah.
hi ta fika laha hi yaku as long as ma 2K ma tirhaku ma kota no tirhisana as well because Miss Lay for example u drop a visualizer ne
yeah
after dropping that visualizer sharp hi yi twini ngoma it's nice and now it requires our support ngoma ya yena leyi nga le ku teni yi vitaniwa chikele but yi na Jonas ndeni
nasi
ku na Jonas ndeni ka ngoma liya there's a Jonasi
oh speaking of Jonas ne mativa vavanuna
va Jonasi sweswo
ish
what
vavanuna like na loko ni kha ni swi vulavula ntonge ni ngo kwata ni
wendleke ingaku we wa relate nyana ka swona what happened
ish allegedly Jay London ne uyibonini
I saw it what would you do in that position when ukuma ku munhu wa we sithanda sakho mphathwe kwenhliziyo yakho allegedly bari ina munhu loyi anga a bit older than him
then also he has a girlfriend loyi a yimbelela na yena right
well ka life ya yena girlfriend ite yena swi herile that's what she said ka life ya yena so
Mjolo
it's not for the week
Mjolo.
well okay let's
but
take
then,
wena a wu ri ka position yaleyo ina baby mina ti komba swin'we mina n'wana swin'we ivi u kuma ku we ina
They have a
matsongo
child.
yes i kuma ku ina matsongo
mantsongo langa nkulu
May I community live? Okay, what would you
mantsongo
do?
langa nkulu
Exactly, what would you do if you were in that position?
Ish, I don't know. I feel like she took a great step ya kuva a humeni ka yena.
No?
Yeah, because there's nothing that you can do. A ku na sweswiwani a ka ha ri na ku tiyisela hey loko va mi byela ku tiyiseliwa khale le
Real.
sweswiwani you just move on.
You just move.
Move on.
Mara,
You'll find another one.
so when you saying Kuri, look, you find that out in Magali. If you were in the position of Debs London's, out Umagayena.
Yeah, it's not easy though.
Remember,
It's not
there's a-
easy. But then like also we don't know ku ri andhaku va go through yini leswi swi nga endla ku leswi swi nga lead to a point ya ku se va hambana. Yeah, but then like it's not gonna be easy mara anta zama ku move hayi ku anta zama anta move on vutomi ku move on man.
Child, now I feel like no, because now kuna ti live vanga khomela na tona. I feel like that's where everything got messy.
Pero
'Cause
khomelana ti live ish like why mi nga mi fixi swilo swa n'wina.
I feel like now everything is live. Yeah.
Yes, like
Everything,
is
every
live.
confrontation, ka ha ri hava privacy, ka ha ri hava ku hi ta khoma hi vulavula xilo asayitini and fix things on the side without involving the public opinions and the public support. But the thing is
The
now,
public will mislead you, Shem.
one thing about the public,
Va misleader. Yo.
but mislead her too much, like by supporter nonsense, van'wani va call out nonsense.
Yo.
So loko wo ya hi social media or i ya hi vanhu lava ku chelaka moya ekha hi swi vona na wena ku leswi wo cheliwa moya and to cheliwa moya hi swi swa wrong. But in that thing ya vona va yi tune
Ingahleki. A swi
Loko
tivisi.
no hlekisa hi statement xa dokodela
Dokodela ve ri yini?
ku va na swikandza swa swirhendze and now that triggered them swi triggere manangwana. That's why she hosted this other live, I think day before yesterday.
Yeah.
The whole night.
Hinkwavo a va hostini or it was just
No, it was just her at that time. I was still like everyone because
Atokubala.
early, because apparently, man, doctor,
Dokotela.
Dokodel. I forgot her username, but yeah, man, Dokodel. But I was still like allegedly 6 hours. Good, look on to
For 6 hours?
Well, 6 hours.
Mhaka n'wanuna. I mhaka n'wanuna.
No bull.
Ivila n'wanuna. A boy. Uzondla leswiyani a n'wanuna. If you can do that to a woman, ivile a woman that loyi a nga ku tswalela n'wana, you're not a man.
So yeah, about was the 6 hours. Bakabakupa. Minyoto a little kwalaya na kwalaya, and then she also posted kuri. Ngwina loko ma and that's so mina nkhandziya loko ngwina ma ngena stage mina nkhandziya stage ni teka ti awards
Oh, I saw it. I like loko n'wina ma handla vavanuna swa vavanuna mina ni khandziya stage ni teka ti awards.
Woo! Mina yi ta yini khumbi nyala ya n'wina mina ta ni keje yo
Mara yo ti choosela vutomi lebyi hey you can't judge me mhaka ku mi choose n'wanuna and the baby ni ta tshama ni kha ni n'wi choose.
nda ku judge yo mina ta ku judge sorry hayi no
Se mina ni tshika n'wanuna wa mina hi mhaka vo n'wina.
awukhonali you can't choose a
Tshika
man.
n'wanuna wa mina hi mhaka vo n'wina. Never.
My sister akha ku endli yini Jonas.
Ay, never.
You the bird. Actually, you the eagle. No ways. No ways. What do you mean? My sister.
Vavanuna mahlweni.
Better hi ku byala na tigigi mahlweni.
Byala yi nga vulavuli hi byona.
U vulavula hi boti metro. U vulavula hi boti metro beats va ku byala mahlweni tigigi mahlweni. San'wana na mahlweni. Naal. I refuse, my sister. No, you can't do that to yourself.
Loko munhu a lava ku choose n'wanuna n'wi tshike na choose n'wanuna.
Aye, love you. Love you.
A nga ni love you ntsena.
Love you. Love yourself.
Ani la ku ti love you. Ni la ku love you n'wanuna.
Bro, actually, you're bigger than the eagle. I don't know what you are. Angas, at this point, one stress. I hope you are kidding. Actually, I feel like you are kidding. Yeah. For my own mental state to be stable, you are kidding.
Okay, if it's
Nda ku judge but minganzeli or esinyateka phone ukudampela emunyaloyo.
yini.
What do you mean you are choosing a man after he put you through this?
No vula ku ni choose n'wanuna. Loko ku veke ni lava n'wanuna ni ta choose n'wanuna. Hambi o ni chitela, why n'wi mi vone ku i ni chitelini? A mi ya kwini n'wina mi ze mi vosisa
timhaka ta wena
hina?
ti tiviwa hi vanhu ku tlula wena na.
Ya tshamani na tona n'wina ti-journalist na swini.
Sweswo ha swi twisisa ne ha swi twisisa ku na timhaka leta to va tikuma va swi discuss mara loko se I ya teriwa I discussiwa na hi munhu loyi a nga ku nghenisa na Jonas Matipa uyo famba air disrespect asatwa yena a n'wi yela mutini a endla this and that
Mara ibile Jonas ne. Hey, let's go back to Jonas ne. Jonas nsati wa yena a nga swi tivi ku I na nsati loyi a nga n'wi lovola from home.
Mama eseti ambi ni va rivel lavaya a va ngheni ka mhaka leyi yo a nga swi tivi hi vulavula hi lava disrespect side chick ya disrespectful luya Matipa u fika disrespect.
Hey, it goes back to mhaka ya huluhulu. U yi vonile post yin'wanyani a yi ri ku inaneni ya huluhulu.
Khuluma ngwamel
Ku ri kahle sweswo hava Jonas va tele.
ku na vahula ni
Hey,
ku na vahula na vatsonga na vo middle
vantsongo.
a ni yi vonanga a yi vulavula hi
va
hulu
kwata
loko swi te
njhani?
yini I hulu wihi
Hulu van'wanyani va halawa va kha va ku he mina n'wina nuna wa mina loko a heta swilo swa n'wina u vuya ka mina I mi xavela two wa ti-savannah a vuya kaya.
I vuya na yini
Mara guys like fambani why mi nga tlheleli makaya loko swi nga pfumeli?
u vuya na yini na ko loko a vuya ka n'wina
Ni vula ku why mi nga tlheleli makaya loko swi nga pfumeli?
ni boriwa hi laha ku okusala he comes back home with what after doing what ka n'wansati un'wana after sleeping with them like you know an intercourse is something more physical. It's more than physical, it's spiritual. I teki mabadi n'wana wa vanhu a tata ma chela
ta
wena
chela.
I teki ti-disease ti a tata ti chela
And
wena
sweswiwa a ka ha ri na maletere manharhu ntsena vuvabyi byi
media
tele
swi tele ngopfu swilo leswiwani hi nge swi hlayi matengo mavabyi lamawani
pakani mi ya kaya
no literally
longani mi ya kaya
longa paka tibeki ya kaya so tshama na jona se swa feyila hey
so I would do the same thing that Debza did, Shem. I would. That's
what did she do
she left. Like you're saying on the live that she left, she said, "Kala vya yo nako if I'm being." So
shout out to you baby for choosing yourself
Yeah.
shout out to you. And I also saw this other live, la ku ri na DJ Jepa va kha va vulavula hi music. I was late, but I vulavula hi music wa yena or something like that. Support for her music, cause remember, Iri comment.
Ninjani?
Ikona mjani.
Hey, siyanyaphila man. Sorry, maybe I'm off topic or on topic, but then bangitshela ukuthi nikhuluma ngepiano. Niyangizwa?
yeah.
Mina nguza.
Kwazi ukukhulumela. Bangitshela ukuthi nikhuluma ngepiano as a whole. Like your music, yeah. So I have a question. What's your take about lento le yenzakala ku Tshepiso?
What's that?
You don't know Tshepiso?
We know him, but I don't know what's happening. I don't wanna lie.
Okay, so he's hosting. You said that the incident laying and like was it last year or this year earlier?
What was happening?
Okay,
Oh, and ube ata crash out. Na sweswo ile crash out then.
No, seriously.
Mara nga crash out hi swona leswi swe le handle.
Say crash out is one foot. Or maybe he's still never blah blah question. What happened now?
okay, allegedly so, ne? Tshepiso kunendaba angazikhiphanga. Yabo? There's human There's human trafficking happening in Nigeria.
Guy, lower red hair.
Yeah. So when I view my statuses like on WhatsApp, I see like both of their beefs, yabo. So Tshepiso,
Both, kuna both.
yeah, there's two short, angesh.
Oh.
And they buy two and they buy short.
Too short, Ari. Okay.
Buy two. Yeah. So when I view their status on my WhatsApp, Tshepiso posted title deed.
10.
A title deed
title
that he owns a house. Yabo. Then Too Short posted a BMW that it does not drive a Golf, it drives a BMW. So Tshepiso was like, okay, I'm giving you papers of my title deed. Show me papers of your car. Yabo. And not just only Too Short. Major people, even the bigger ones in the industry. What they have is not theirs. Yeah, I understand. Allegedly so. Yeah, they need to know that. So I'm talking about things that are like I see on my phone, not on the net. But he's crashing out on the net that girls are getting human trafficking by club owners. And it's part of the culture for Mapiano. Yeah, Ibon. Yeah.
Well, honestly, I would believe it. Have you seen how much Amapiano yi chicha kweshimo shaba basati ikon? Like, hey, uzomonza ngani seka velile hey nika labantu nikhekhe labo uba nikelani hey bele like it xin'wana xi ya ka tibody ta vavasati xi vulavula you get so I lango for sona.
Yeah, boy. No boy. Mara
Well, it's you.
ila ku cina. Problem iko ila ku cina.
And we entertain it.
Yes.
I do believe
People love those kind of music. Even like when you go to clubs, you will see them even dancing. Like
but nabona problem ikuva swi support say swi va nyika more power lava va ti piano artists ku ri va swi endla.
so now G is talking about
Human trafficking within the
he's
clubs.
exposing. He's exposing.
As usual. I mean, even last time,
Exposing.
even the last time he was exposing. So, I feel like I believe him, guys. Vanhu lava va sone, lava vo va vuya va endla ngaku ava kahle va vulavula nga swilo swo ka swi nga make sense. I feel like they've seen a lot and they know a lot. So no loko va vulavula a ni swi tivi ku
I feel like he's just traumatized.
exactly I traumatized hi leswi a nga swi vona. He's seen a lot, he's been through a lot, mara a swi vuli ku a nga vulavuli ntiyiso. That's what I'm saying. People who have seen a lot, they tend to speak. Ivona swi nga endla ngaku a va make sense loko va vulavula, however they're speaking the truth, but because of how they are and because vanhu van'wana a va respondi, like lava va accusewaka. Oh, hey, this one is doing this one has snakes and stuff. Because they don't respond, swi ta endla ngaku yena ilwa a ri one, swi n'wi endla ngaku a penga. So that's the thing. But and mina I believe.
So what's the other one saying?
Sorry. Ngibeke kahle. Okay, adding on what you are saying, yeah? Like what you are saying is true. Because let's put it in a typical example. Ne? Let's say this is a classroom. You understand? Lo mntana lo ohlala phethe incwadi zonke like ne school bag.
Yeah.
Sithi uyahlanya. You understand? Even if when again we are the one who sees izinto. Ukuthi no, mele senzeni izinto ezikanje ekhaya. Ngiphupha into ekanje bazothi hayi lo mntana uyahlanya or mele ayothwasa. So more unique kuba ngathi uyahlanya. So ujima shikho kuzoba ngathi uyahlanya. But bazothathwase bazoyaba. That ayisakhali. Yeah, so into enzakalayo manje ukuthi it's not only ujima shikho. Justin Peace is coming out also. Ukuthi Uncle Waffles is showing his money.
Where?
Who's
Uncle what?
Uncle PC,
I saw it.
PC, yeah.
saw it.
So there's a lot going on in the manje. The saddest part ukuthi ziphuma kancane kancane.
Yeah.
And then it's just believer when the piano is dead.
Yo.
It's gonna be like quiet. You see how quiet artists are struggling.
Yeah.
It's gonna be like that because it's small children who getting money, but mentally abaga be that strong. Yeah, remember, you understand? I remember when Kwaito was starting. Because abantwana abancane who were getting money, who were doing it. You understand?
But TV, na tiva va xigaza tsena.
Yeah, but then if ungathi uyabakhomba, no, most of them don't have anything. So same applies to piano. Indaba can't reveal anything. Abanye bakusikolota ama 40,000 in the batumile.
I feel like all the journeys that I feel like the artists they just spend.
No, but I feel like ka amapiano, because remember amapiano is broad. Itlangwa na le America. Everywhere it's being played. So na impact yakona it's a lot. Yeah, because like at the ka xigaza loko go yivela na kwala ka vengi swi va nga entertain u teka 2 rand lani so ka amapiano, so there are millions on the amapiano, so of course
Yeah, there's a lot going on in Sata. Yeah.
and it's going on in God. Right, and now I know this.
Real.
No, for real. I feel like the music industry is toxic.
It is.
It's
It's toxic.
It's very toxic.
the music industry is a devil's playground.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you need to understand the people who run the music. It's universal. The word universal means the world. Then we have the big three: Universal, Sony, Warner. So everything that you're doing, it's under Universal. So they run the world basically. And most of my artists, they want to like on big houses and big cars. Those things are rental. They are not theirs. Lord, hey, it's in violence.
I sit talking with blah blah hey I sit this say right no mina itiva ku munhu yozama guys phela body bliss va huma kule na music ni twe ngoma yin'wana ya vona ya hip hop ani
Mara hinkwavo va huma kule na music.
true that, and most of them va huma ka hip hop.
Ka hip hop,
Body
yes.
bliss ni twinyana ngoma ya hip hop. Miss Lay na yona I know ba respect na
Inhlonipho man.
oh bliss boy ke bliss boy
Mabilis.
Mabilis. Oh, maka hip hop because need to Miss Lena and she was in Kwaito and hip hop. In Gqom, I mean, she was in Gqom and hip hop.
And
And
also,
also Metro.
kahle-kahle
Na yena
hinkwavo.
ihuma hip hop because I heard this other
Na
song.
amapiano.
Even amapiano, but not hip hop way before amapiano.
No,
I
he
think.
did hip hop and then amapiano she got. Like
You see, every
kahle-kahle hinkwavo va sign free. Even the big ones, va J John, va sign free. Hinkwavo.
abahleketa kuba manika loko ngena mina ta nghena ka hip hop ni vhe ni tshama
Mali.
a ku na mali
People need money.
Ne?
They're there for money. I feel like kuzeke va switche va ya ka Shigaza now is because they.
there's money ka xigazani and also I feel like hina va yimbelela tingoma leti relatekaka tshunela ka daddy baby mbaka a nge tshuneliwe ka daddy va ka va ku byela swona
Vavanuna i swidlayi mara va hi tsakisa. I swidlayi mara va hi tsakisa.
I can't relate to that. I'm a certified man hater.
Ah, okay.
And swizondha ngo swi hari leswi sorry I'm
Yeah.
Vanhu.
It's fine. I swiharhi ka wena. Okay, i
Vanhu ke.
swiharhi. Vele i swiharhi ani.
Thank you.
Teka, babe.
you're the bird we're vele xinyenyani khale swi swi kota.
Handle
we
ka babe.
understand we're a bird at this point it's sharp win
No, na like yeah, hinkwavo va huma. I feel like no, mara a hi le ka Xigaza ntsena, a hi vanhu va le Giyani va le Limpopo ntsena, va Magaza ntsena.
Yeah.
Like everywhere. Van'wanyana va switchini from hip hop va ya ka amapiano. Like they're just chasing mula.
yeah nje kwala ku tirha kona ka music industry kwala tinambara ti nge i kona hi kona hi
Yes,
tshamaku
that's
kona
where we go.
and I feel like na vona va ya hi ku at the moment ku trenda swa njhani cause sweswiwani vele hi ku hina matike hi rhandza ngo swi swa love so put
Kasi se va loko tshova mbilu. Va ku tshove mbilu ani. Va ku tshove mbilu.
I'm a strong girl. Do you see my hand? Do they look like they're shaking? No, I'm strong. I don't. I want to with him.
I duvula masini.
Yalo a receive ku bullet na yena wa yi teka.
Oh, so bulete ya ka n'wana. That's why sweswi swa ku trenda tinsimu leti ta vo Jonas leti.
First it was love songs.
Yes.
If you find out, say if you ka Jonas.
And then when hi ta find out a ku na loyi a nga henhla ka program.
No one is above the program.
A ku na loyi a nga henhla ka program hinkwenu hi ta hetelela hi find
Oh
out.
mane, kwala nga le henhla ka program loko swi tsandzana lava va nga le henhla le. Hina hi vo mani?
No loko hambi ti-billionaire mina ni nga na two bobo u ta ndla yini Mjolo?
Vo Beyonce loyi u find out kangani. Hina hi vo mani hina hi vo mani. That's why it means to take it.
As long as humanga nyimbangi.
Real. As long as you marry child.
Huma ni nga ri na xi xo hefemula.
As long as they didn't leave a stranger in your stomach,
Yeah.
you are cool. Like
You're
you can
cool.
still move on. You can still continue. The bell. Like oh my
Ni
gosh.
nga rivala hi luya.
Yeah, the t-shirt, the duri, na ice cream, vona xi move hai. So swa long mara hina
Hi
hi.
tlhe hi ku xave na byala.
Mara hina hi exactly la vula swa ku hina hi le ndlela ya valungu
Swa ti-ice
peliwe.
cream swa valungu.
Swa ti ice cream swa
Hela mabyala. Ni find out i nxavela byala hi ni nwa ni dakwa ni rila.
swi hela hi xa mundzuku se wo tisola hi mhaka ku u na xitlamatlamha a wa ha tisoli hi ku hi nyike mfana mbili. No real.
I vutomi.
All in all the best, Miss Lay. Ka Jonas song ya wena. I hope you get many streams because you once took a break and then music wa wena nga fambi ngopfu. I hope sweswi u famba again because u like a topic ya right.
She's doing amazing.
Yes, she's doing amazing because this one and the like a topic laying like trending ngopfu. Jonas.
She's also rising. If you can look at her, like look ngena, and then look at her now. Oh,
Yeah, I feel like everyone.
A lot changed.
Everyone changes. Yeah. Well, I mean, getting
I
past
feel like the break did something to her.
Huh?
I feel like the break did something to her.
Yeah,
Actually,
Sometimes you do need a break.
You do.
Sometimes you do. It's very necessary.
Doesn't have to become music.
Hinkwako, like
All of it and la break everything.
Woo!
Hinkwako ko break ya la.
Ngopfu phinda futhi swa xikolo.
Xikolo.
We need a break
N'wananga.
ngopfu
Xikolo
kwalano.
n'wananga.
Ayi vule ku mteka xikolo mi ya nonene vula ku mteka break and I'm taking break ya permanent.
Fambani vavanuna. No bull.
Bored to get sad. No, but all in all, it makaya miss le ya kombisa ko like sometimes you do need a break. Focus on yourself. Loko ti vona ku you're losing the plot. Ti wisindleleni. Like focus on your goals as well. Yeah. So all in all, siyabonga, Miss Lay, good luck on your release. And shout out to everybody that we've mentioned on this podcast today. All in all, it's a wrap. Thank you.